Welcome to this video on stakeless testing methods. We will explore how the clamp-on-earth resistance measurement technique works. Traditional fall-of potential testing is highly accurate, but it requires temporary stakes and demands that live systems be disconnected, which consumes significant time and effort. The stakeless alternative offers a more efficient approach. It eliminates temporary stakes, keeps the system connected, saves time, and enhances operator safety. Stakeless testers utilize Ohm's law. The device induces a known voltage, measures the resulting current, and then calculates the loop resistance. These testers often use dual jaws or two clamps to inject high frequencies, typically between 1.5 and 3.5 kHz. This approach helps reject inductive reactance and allows for a smaller core size. This method measures the entire loop. It requires multiple parallel grounds, so the test current can travel down the target electrode and return via the interconnected path. Because multiple return paths exist, their combined resistance is very low, approaching zero. Consequently, the total loop resistance measurement closely reflects the resistance of the target electrode. This versatility allows operators to perform fast testing in various environments, including congested urban areas, inside buildings, or on paved concrete surfaces. The process is designed for safe live testing. By measuring existing leakage current first, the tester identifies potential faults and protects the operator before any further contact. However, there is a key rule. No parallel grounds means no test. The method will fail on isolated single grounds because the test circuit requires a return path to function. Be aware of the quote cell tower trap. If the return loop doesn't include the earth, for example, if guy wires connect to a continuous metal ring, the clamp will measure a false dead short. The stakeless method lacks the self-verification of the fall of potential method. Additionally, electrical noise can easily corrupt readings, and the method often struggles with extremely low resistance grounds. To summarize, while fall of potential is a commissioning tool that requires stakes, the stakeless clamp-on method serves as an excellent troubleshooting tool for live systems. Building a complete toolkit involves using both methods: fall of potential for proving exact resistance on new sites, and stakeless testing for rapid, ongoing troubleshooting. By mastering both techniques and understanding their specific applications, you can ensure total system safety and accurate ground resistance assessment.